Hello, good morning. This is Mrs. Adesonya, your art teacher. Welcome to another art class this morning. I trust you've been doing great. I trust you've been good at home and you've been helping mommy and daddy. And I trust you've been doing your art lessons. Yes, I want to appreciate all of you who've been able to send back your work. You've done really good. And I'm as a teacher, I'm also encouraged to see your works. I'm happy to see your works. So today we're having another lesson and I want you to put in your best. Today we're going to be drawing a sailboat. We're going to be drawing a sailboat and I'm sure you're going to find it very easy because we're going to be taking it step by step. Make sure that you have your materials about you. You need your crayons or your coloring pencils to color. You need your pencil to draw. You might need a sharpener. And you also might need an eraser if you want to make corrections. If you make a mistake, you can easily clean it off and make corrections. So get your art materials together. And you also need white paper for your work. White paper for your work so that your work can come out looking nice. So we're going to start now. We're going to put our paper in this position. This is called landscape. Put your paper in this position, landscape, so that you can have enough space to draw your sailboat. You're going to start by drawing a lovely triangle, a lovely triangle right here, okay? A nice lovely triangle. Can you see my triangle? Yes, I'm sure you can do a lovely one too. Nice, lovely triangle. Yes, there you go. There you go. You're gonna draw a line, straight line, right down, like this. The straight line starts from outside of your triangle into your triangle and it comes out again right here. Okay, so we're gonna be drawing a little flag at the top, right here, and that flag is going to be a long triangle, just another triangle, a long looking triangle. There you go. That's a little flag for your sailboat. Looking nice, isn't it? And then we're gonna draw a boat. You make a long line like this, draw a nice long line like this, okay? Then another line that goes inwards like a slant. Can you see that? You can see that something is coming out of this already. All right, here we go. So another line right here, another slanted line right here for our lovely sailboat, And then we're going to finish up the bottom of our boat with another straight line right here, another line right here. Can you see that? Finishing up the bottom of our sailboat with a line right here. Gonna erase this. Yes, because I don't need it. There we go. So that's our sailboat right there. That's our sailboat. We're gonna make it a little more interesting by drawing a wavy line so that we can show that our boat is in the water, in the sea. Some wavy line. Can you see that right here? This is a wavy line. All right, just to tell us that our sailboat is in water, you know, in a big river or in the sea. There we go. Can you see that this looks really nice? So it's time to color. Take your colors, color your sailboat, okay? Choose whatever color you want for your sail, for your boat. All right, Color with care. Try not to let your colors come out of your shape. Okay, I don't want this color to come out of this triangle. So color nicely. I don't want my colors to come out of my shape. I don't want the colors to come out of this triangle, so that it can really look nice, so that my coloring can look very, very nice. Okay, can you see that? Coloring carefully. I don't want my colors to come out of my shapes. So I have a beautiful sailboat here, and I'm sure that your sailboat is going to be beautiful too. So I want you to finish up your coloring as nicely as you can, and I'm sure you can do that as nicely as you can. Don't forget to write your name on your paper, and don't forget to turn in your work so that I can see. All right, so you can keep coloring, and just make your work as beautiful as possible. So I look forward to seeing your finished work. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to another art class today. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great, and I hope you've been able to cope with your schoolwork. I trust you that you are coping. I wish you more grace, and I wish you good success. Today is another art class, and I hope you're ready. We're going to be doing some drawing, some beautiful drawing. Right here I have my materials ready. I hope you have yours too. You're going to need your pencil, your eraser, and probably a sharpener in case you need to sharpen your pencil. You're going to need your colors. It could be coloring pencils, it could be crayons. Whatever colors you have will be fine. Just make sure that your coloring comes out looking beautiful. Today we're going to be drawing some lovely flowers, and I already have a faint drawing here. I don't know if you can see it, but I am going to show you how to draw some lovely flowers. And you're going to start with a circle. Right at the top of your paper, you're going to start by drawing a circle. Ooh, can you see? Can you see my circle there? Fantastic. We are going to add some other circles, but those circles are going to be close to this circle in the middle. So I am going to add another circle right here, and this is a petal for my flower. I shall add another circle. Can you see that? Right here. That's another petal for my flower. Another circle right here, and another one right here. I have a beautiful flower. Can you see it? Fantastic. All right, we are going to draw in another flower. We're going to take the same step. All right, a circle right there. Then you're going to surround it with some bigger circles. Make sure those bigger circles touch the smaller circle in the middle. Can you see that? Okay. Make sure that it touches. Yes, that's another one. I'm going to draw another flower using the same step. Can you see that? All right. So I will start by drawing a circle right here. Then I'm going to draw some other circles, and I will make sure that they touch that circle in the middle. Make sure they touch that circle in the middle. Fantastic. We have another flower there. So we are going to be putting in the stems. All right. So we will draw a line and make it curve right down like this. We're going to draw another line and make it curve right down like this. We shall do the same right here. Make your line curve a little bit, you know. Give it a little bit of, should I call it rhythm now? Make another line right here, and another one. Now our flowers, we want them to have leaves. So we will start by putting a curve right here, another curve right here, one curve right here, another curve right here, one curve right here, another curve right here, one curve right here, another one right here, one curve right here, another one right here, one curve right here, and another one. And then we're gonna put another line in here. This is the midrib of our leaf. Can you see that? It's beautiful, isn't it? Fantastic. You have the video all to yourself. You can play it all over again. just so that you can get it if you did not get it the first time. So it's time to color our flowers. Color your flower, finish it up, turn it in. I am looking forward to seeing it. Make sure it looks beautiful. Well done.